Take a look, man. Gary brought the entire fleet. We have all the power, man. We're gonna have internet, liberty. Oh yeah. The internet is going up. Oh, nice. And it's going inside already. So cable go there. The antenna is right there on top. Aiming the tower up there. So it goes through, you see? Gary's doing a great job. And then inside, comes here in the bottom. And we have equipment. Here, electricity. DIY in the Caribbean tiny home shipping container. With this view, subscribe as soon as you can. You're gonna learn all that stuff, guys. It'll be amazing. You're gonna love it.